Hey, Toby.
Oh, hey, Sara.
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm pretty good.
Good.
Why are we here today?
Yeah, I wanted to invite you over because a friend gave me a book. It's called 101 Great Science Experiments. And I thought we could do some science together.
They had like one more than they could not like go like,
couldn't
well,
stop.
maybe we take the worst one and then it's like the top 100. They're like, no, 101. They're all good.
They're all good.
Okay.
That's right. So you want to do some science with me?
Yeah, I do, but I feel like I'm not like looking smart enough. Hang on a second.
Okay.
Ready? Snap your fingers. There we go.
Wow.
See, now I'm looking much smarter. Smarty pants.
Very smart. Okay, Dr. Toby, are you ready?
I am
For
ready.
some science. Okay, so we're gonna do an experiment today where we stack liquids.
Oh.
So when you're stacking, it's like when you put blocks together, you stack them up, right?
Oh, that sounds like fun. I don't think you can do that with liquids.
I don't know.
I can do it with like blocks, but not with liquids.
Yeah. Okay. So for this experiment, we need something nice. I got a vase.
Oh.
It's clear, so we can see what's happening in it.
Vase, tomato.
Yeah. We have some vegetable oil.
Oh.
Okay. I have some corn syrup.
Oh, yeah.
Like
This
super
good,
sweet.
Good for anything that you make for food.
Mm-hmm. And we have just some plain water, but I put some food coloring in it.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
Yeah, very nice blue food coloring.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the corn syrup.
Okay.
And for some reason the book says it's easier to pour if you pour it onto the back of a spoon. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put a lot in here.
Oh, look how thick that is.
Oh, it's so thick, that's right. This is not quite the stuff you would put on pancakes, but you would use it like for baking and stuff.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Okay, I think that's probably enough, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there's our corn syrup. Next, which one do you think we should put?
I don't know. I like.
Let's do the water.
Yeah, the water. Okay.
Okay, I can't remember if there was like an order we were supposed to do these in, but let's just. Do you see what's happening, Toby?
Oh,
Is it
look
mixing?
Whoa. Look at that.
All right, so we have the water in there, and it hasn't mixed together.
Oh, look at it. It's like stacked up.
Yeah, we have the syrup and the water. Okay, we're gonna put our last one in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, look at that.
There goes the oil.
Look
Oh,
at that.
ta-da! We put 3 liquids in, none of them mixed together. Our oil kind of has bubbles of water in it, but if we left it for a little while, it would all totally separate. So we just had oil on top and water in the middle. What do you think of that?
That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. So do you know why this happens?
No.
No, because the different liquids have different density. Density is kind of like the weight of the water. So some liquid weighs more than other liquid, and so they can't mix, they can't go together. So we can see from this that the corn syrup is the densest of the liquids, right? Because it's at the bottom.
Yeah.
Then the water, then the oil. Pretty cool, huh?
It's pretty nice looking.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of cool. So I want to try something else, okay?
What do you want to try?
I want to see what happens when we drop stuff in this.
Oh yeah, let's drop some stuff.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, let's see.
So I have some little objects here that I collected from around my house.
Oh.
So number 1 is a screw.
Oh yeah.
So if we drop this in water, it would go right down to the bottom. So let's see what happens when we drop it in this mixture of liquids.
I guess right to the bottom.
That's your guess?
Yeah.
Okay, that is part of doing science, is you make guesses. But we didn't do that. But anyway, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Plop.
Plop. It went right to the bottom.
Kerplunk.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, that's not. It's pretty predictable to this point, Sarah.
Okay, how about blackberry? What do you think?
Maybe blackberry float a little bit.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Well, if you get my fur, then I would be very upset.
it seems to spray in that direction. It's floating in the water,
It's floating.
but it went through the oil.
Oh.
So that means that it could not float in oil, but it could float in water.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see what else do I have. One of Olive's favorites. A
Carrot.
carrot. You look so intelligent right now.
Oh, well, thank you very much.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it sank in the water, but it can't get down to the cornstarch.
Oh, look.
Cool, huh? Okay, I got 2 more things. Ready? Lego. What do you think's gonna happen with the Lego?
Floater, for sure.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hey, you're right!
Nailed it.
You got it! It floats at the top of the oil. Okay, last one. I've got some noodles. I wanted to get macaroni noodles for you, but I didn't have any in my. We ate them all. So
yeah, because you make mac and cheese, you need to use all the noodles.
that's right.
101 noodles.
But these are bow ties, kind of like your nice bow tie that you wear when you do poetry.
Very good.
Okay, sink or float?
Float.
I think it's gonna float too. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey!
Oh!
Oh, it's sinking! Oh,
It sunk through the oil!
When you make the macaroni, it goes in the water.
Oh, and it sunk through the water too!
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Wow. Okay, so those things, they sunk or float depending on what their weight was compared to the liquid they're in. Toby, I love science.
Oh yeah, science is cool.
Do you know why I like science so much?
Well, how come?
Because God created science.
Well, yeah, it's
Right?
His creation that's here.
Yeah, and science kind of helps us explain some of the things that God created, which is pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
And it helps us to see kind of how detailed He made the world.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah. So, what did you think of our science experiment?
Well, it's pretty neat. I mean, I never thought that they would do that.
Yeah.
Like,
pretty
it's all
cool.
separated and things are floating at different levels. Like, that's
Yeah.
pretty... Whoa, look at that.
Do you want to have a drink now?
No, thank you.
Just kidding. Okay, well that's it for our science experiment today.
Hey, that's
Thanks for
pretty
coming.
cool. Bye, everybody.
We will try something again.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah, okay.
All right.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.